So check this out. See this? My laptop has been doing this for a few years now. This is a 2017, 2016 laptop. And then what's new is it's creating a vignette around it. That's not good. Makes me think it's about to completely go out finally. I thought changing the battery would work. It seemed like it did. I put new battery in a few weeks ago. Made a video about that. And it seemed to be doing fine. But now this is happening. Look at it. It looks like old, like early 1900s TV or something. There's a vignette around it. So it's like a silent film. It's not flashing like this in person in terms of lines going up and down. But, yeah, it's just sort of white and flickers. Move it around. And then you can even see it up in the edges up there, see? Oh, man. But, yeah, this is 2017 laptop, maybe 2016. This is a HP Workstation ZBook 17 laptop. ZBook 17 G3 version. I think that's what this is. Yeah, this laptop, man, it got me through my classes when I was in college, you know, when I was doing animation. I used to do animation on this thing. I was playing on Return on it on the computer. I was playing Overwatch on it back when I first got this thing. It honestly it looks like the screen is finally fading out. Cause like I'm just trying to watch videos, and then all of a sudden this happens. Man. It's literally just one bad thing after another, dude. Nothing is good right now at all. But update on the laptop. This is what I use to. I don't have a dual monitor set up, so I do have another monitor that I could connect to my computer, my desktop down there. But I use this when I'm looking at my stream, when I'm doing live streams of Star Wars Battlefront or like playthroughs or whatever. So I'm gonna have to use my phone to like see the stream separately now. But just a little update. I was like watching videos, and it just started to fade out. Yeah, you can see it up there. So I turn the light off. You can see it. Look at that. That's what it's been doing for a few years now, but it's just worse. It just started again today or yesterday. I thought I was doing better ever since I changed the battery, but it looks like things just got worse. So it's not the battery. Oh man, it's about to go out. Tell me. That's just an update. Okay, so I did some research. It looks like it might be, I thought about this for a while. It looks like it might be my display cable. Not that I knew what the display cable was, but I suspect it has something to do with my monitor on the laptop. Because like I said, when I open and close it, it seems like the more I open it, the worse it flickers. But if I angle it downward, like just now, but I can't really see like that, but I do, if I angle it downward a little bit, then it won't flicker as much. But the flickering is always there. But it's been happening for a few years, and it just, now it's at like a very bad point where like it's just constantly doing it. So, but yeah, did some research here. Just asked it on ChatGPT. It looks like, honestly, maybe the display cable. Some people said they cleaned the display cable. And I watched videos, and I watched a video of someone like completely replacing the display, the entire screen, or replacing the cable. It's a lot, honestly. I think I would screw something up. It is a lot to replace the display cable entirely, but to clean it, That may be more of a simpler option. But yeah, just scrolling here, you can see what I researched about it. So, but yeah, that's what I found. So, it's either, again, the monitor itself on my laptop, or it's the display cable. I've been wondering for a few years now, is my graphics card going bad in it? Just like it is potential with my desktop, I don't know. Is the graphics card going bad, or is my display cable? I found another video. Let me see if I can bring that video up, where someone else had the same sort of issue. I had it up on my laptop, and I don't know if I still do. Let me see. I mean, hopefully you can see this with it. Because I'm trying to... Right now, the screen is not flickering. I'm not touching it. Again, I have it angled down a little bit, but... I saw this video.
Friends,
this is what
if your
mine
laptop
looks like.
occasionally blinks or flickers, unscrew all the screws on the back. This is your laptop's display cable, the cable that connects your display, and this cable is causing the problem. Unscrew this cable, clean it thoroughly, and reconnect it properly. Before that, disconnect your battery cable and do all this. The process is the same, no matter which model of laptop you have. Friends, if your laptop...
So, I might try that. I don't know. But completely replacing the display cable right now, I don't think so, man. I watched an entire video on that. It's a lot. I have to completely disassemble this thing and reassemble it. So, literally like the entire laptop just to do the display cable. So, I'll see what I can figure it out. There's just a lot going on. But, just an update on the laptop. I never really show the laptop off, but I do use it. So, but yeah, it's been using this computer since 2016, 2017, when I was still a student animation at college. So there you go. It's 3:03 a.m. So I'll see you.